So in this video, we will answer one question. Which is the best website builder? So we have in here Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, Hostinger, and WordPress with Elementor as our contenders. So let's try to compare them. So for Wix, it actually has a high, extensive, and robust e-commerce feature, and it usually costs $14 to $39 per month and best for general use as well as small businesses. So Squarespace, for the ease of use, it's actually on the medium scale along with Shopify, but the design templates is stylish and limited. However, in Shopify, it's limited, but it's customizable. For the e-commerce features, Squarespace has basic, while Shopify has excellence. And for the cost, the Squarespace costs $14 to $40, while Shopify costs $29 to $299 per month because it has a business plan. So Squarespace is good for creative professionals as well as visual sites. However, Shopify is good for large e-commerce businesses. So for Hostinger, it actually has a high ease of use. However, its design templates are limited and the e-commerce features are basic, which is good for budget-friendly and quick setup, but not good for businesses itself. And it costs $2.99 to $14.99 per month. So WordPress with Elementor has low ease of use because it requires tech knowledge like coding. However, the designs is highly customizable and the e-commerce feature excellence with plugin. So cost, it's usually free if self-hosted and it only have plugin costs if needed. So it's best for large project and scalability. So just choose which of this you actually want depending on the staple that I have provided and then just choose which one actually fits for you. So that's how we know and that's how we actually decide between these website builders and I hope this video helped you out.